Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast Chapter. Hope you're doing good. Hey, it's Monday. We just came off just an amazing weekend with three really cool events, and I just want to say some kudos about these events. I'll start up in Gainesville at the March Gainesville Cars and Coffee. Thank you, Mary Beth, for hosting that and being a part of that. That just continues to grow and grow and grow. And the really cool thing behind that is we had one of our very own up there going to school up at the University of Florida. Brett was able to go out and take part of that. I saw some pictures. That was just a lot of fun seeing that come through. So glad we can make those connections, South Florida connections into North Florida, which is pretty cool. Secondly, what a great Saturday we had. We had a drive over to West Palm Beach from the West Coast over to West Palm Beach to the Dr. Color Chip factory tour and the demonstrations there. So I just want to shout out to Dan and Tony and Joe and all the team there at Dr. Color Chip who really just rolled the carpet out for us, made us feel welcome, very transparent in explaining what their history was and what they do and how they do it. And they made some really on the spot color chip packages for each of the folks based on their car paint allocation. So, what a really cool event that was. Lunch, the whole 9 yards, and just made us feel really, really special. Want to say thank you to them. Thank you to Anthony Forte. Thank you to Rich Rouser. Thank you to all the folks at Florida Suncoast Chapter that helped make that, put that together. Just a great driving day over. So it was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. And then, of course, yesterday was the 14th annual BIG, British Italian German Car Show over in Cape Coral. And we had two of our chapter members carry home the trophies. Jerry Schaller, who has an '02 Z3 Coupe 3.0 blue and beautiful car, took first place in the Z group, and that competition was really sort of heavy. I think we had 5 Z's on the property yesterday, and looking really good. And our dear friend Russ Lund, Ross has been showing for a number of years. He's got this beautiful 1984 633 CSI coupe in the open class, and Ross won the open class. So congratulations to Jerry, congratulations to Ross. So that's it's fun to see. It's a fun event, and so first year I have it shown, but I just didn't have a car ready for it. So I'll be back, as they say. So a lot of fun. Hey, coming up the 12th, time you see this, coming up Thursday, speaking Rich Rouser, Rich and Damien be handling the first SCCA Track Night America Thursday at Sebring. So reach out to Rich or Damien. Let them know you're going. We've taken a January, February off because of all the events at the track. But then track night will be this Thursday, the 12th. So go check that out. If you don't want to go out and run your car, go out and just check it out. Go in and just see what it's all about. You'll get some great vantage points to see a lot of the cars doing that. So going out there. Saturday the 14th is going to be a really, really busy weekend. We have 4 events up. We have the Jacksonville Caffeine and Octane up there. So that's going to be Gary. That's going to be Keble, Al, all the folks up there. That's a huge Cars and Coffee up in Jacksonville. So go check that one out. We have a big BMW presence at that event. Also, the Southwood Cars and Coffee, or Coffee and Cars, actually is the way that one was written. And I know John's going to be anchoring that one. And then in Lakeland, it's the March Cars and Coffee as well. That's Damien at the Fields dealership there in Lakeland, just right off of I-4. And those guys are just really coming around. So go check that out if you're in that neighborhood. And then the Sunshine Beamers, My Canopy. It's a backroads run drive. You have to go on to the Sunshine Beamer group. That's the one out of Orlando. And those folks are doing a drive on the 14th. So if you're into a drive, there you go. Sunshine Beamers. And I know some of our folks are going to be going to that one as well. So go check that out. I'm going to scroll down real quick because we have some other things here. I want to just there's a bunch on the calendar, but I want to jump ahead to April 4th, which is the invasion over in West Palm Beach. And I'm still looking for 2 or 3 cars. Really interested in M3s right now. So I've got space for 2 or 3 more. Just some really nice cars to be part of the invasion, and we'll pay the entry to get you in there. So please reach out and contact me if you're interested. But time's a ticking. I'm going to need to know by the middle of next week if you're going to do that. April 9th is our Spring Mountain Drive Limited. I've got 5 spaces as I'm talking right now. I have 5 spaces left. We're going to cap that at 15 cars. So if you think you want to do the April Spring Mountain Drive to the mountains of North Carolina, let me know because we're filling that up really, really fast. As we go. Oh, and speaking of mountain drives, if you're interested in the mountain drive in October, equally, we take about 55 folks to that, and I've only got a few spaces left for that one. So if you think you're going to go in October, you best go ahead and get on the list here and do an RSVP. So a lot going on, a lot of activities, a ton. It's out on our calendar, so take a look at that calendar. Look ahead because there is, literally March, there's another 10 or so items that I didn't even talk about. So go take a look at the list. Comes out every Tuesday morning. So until then, as we normally say, happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.